Hi everyone, in this tutorial I want to discuss about shadows in CSS3. Let's watch this amazing video. Before tutorial I explained about gradients, how to create a gradient in CSS. I think it's like a very clear explanation. If you missed the tutorial, the link was available in description. Just go and learn how to create a gradient in CSS. Now in this tutorial I want to explain about shadows. So first of all I'll explain the shadows can be done text shadows, we can do image shadows, we can create many effects we can create in CSS. So now I'll explain some shadows how we can do and everything. So first of all I want to shadow h1. So here we are having a tag which is called h1. So this is Haripriya. You can see here, yeah, so this is Haripriya. I want to shadow this one. So is it possible or not? Just go to h1 here. So where is h1? Yeah, so just give text should be shadow. Just give text shadow and how much pixel it should be shadow. So just give 2 pixel and comma, you can give 5 pixel. No need to give the comma, and just control S and just reload it. Yeah, you can see the text was shadow because I given like 5 5, that's why I think you can give 1 pixels and just control S and reload. Yeah, it was shadowed lightly. I think it's like a very clearly you can see that the shadow was, and you can give both the in 2 pixels and you can see that the clearly it was shadow. So if you want the text effect should be also in which color, you need to give like if you want the text shadow should be like brownish or better like black color, and just control S and reload and you can see the back like black color, the shadow was in black color. Effect will it's like more you want, you can give like just give 6 pixels and just control S and reload. You can see that it's like a shadowish. So this is the best shadow I think so what I have done in before. So you can see the black was shadowed which is I given like 6 pixels. You if you want to increase to 9 pixels and you can see the difference, it was shadowed more. So this is called the shadow effect you can do. And if you want only the background, if you don't want this two, you can just give the 0 and 0, otherwise it's take the first one. So it's take first stands for the duplication and second one like that it will take the order was there. So just reload this one and you can see that how it was slight difference if I make the 0. So this is all about shadow. I think you understand something about. So if you want like rounded border around the shadows also we can create. So I'll keep the link the advanced about to create a shadow. I think it's like a short and sweet clear explanation about shadows. If you really wants to create shadows, so this is the best to do that, that is called text shadows. So I think it's like a very clear explanation. So if you want to learn more and more, the links was in description. You can create more shadows into your website. So that's all about shadows. I'll come with another tutorial which is called positions in CSS. I want to discuss very clearly. So until then, wait for next tutorial. If you really like this video, just give a share and like and just comment in comment section. Definitely I'll give reply to your comments. And if you not subscribe to my channel, just hit that subscribe button and you are going to learn lot many things in this channel. And I'll come with a new video and new tutorials for you until then.